Well, the most important and the special segment event in Moto 1.
ඩොනිල් මේ අවස්ථාවේදී අපගේ ආදරණීය මේ වත්මන් මයිදානේ ෆත්තල් මරිකාන් காரியம் செய்யணுமா மே அவஸ்தாவதி எங்களுடைய பாராளுமன்ற எங்களுடைய ஃபத்தல் மரிக்கான் அவர்கள் ஏற்பாடு செய்து நடத்துவதற்கு எங்களுக்கு ஒத்துழைப்பினை தந்திருக்கிறார். நாங்கள் இணைந்து தற்பொழுது உரையாற்ற நாங்கள் இணைந்திருக்கின்றோம். எனவே எங்களுடைய அன்புக்குரிய ரசிக பெருமக்களுடைய குரல்களை கேட்பதற்கு இருக்கின்றார்கள்.
பிஸ்மில்லாஹிர் ரஹ்மானிர் ரஹீம். அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும் ஐபவன்.
Well, all set for the fastest motorcycle motocross bikes on track. We see what a moment it is. Subun Shanta, MIM Milas, MNM Arfan, Kamaldeen Hamdan, Rianis Ahmad, MFM Arsad coming to the Sanayaka, Mindu Madhusara, Taruka Rumesh Di Silva, Nihardin Nifran, Abhishek Shanarat, A.M. Azim, Tarak Namal, Dinetni Hiranga, Shamidu Shenal, Dhananjay Bandara, DMD Kalhara, Saminda Sandun, Nisala Malinda Jasundara, SM Osan, and the champions of the champion. It's none other than Jax Gunawardena, representing and the brand ambassador of Yamamoto, Jax Gunawardena. Despite facing two major setbacks through serious racing injuries, Jack continues to embody the true spirit of a champion through his resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to Sri Lanka motor racing. Well, you could see that is Jax Gunawardena. Then we could see DMD Kalhara following Jax Gunawardena. The current points leader in the champ, DMD Kalhara, but the thing is Jax Gunawardena using all his experience and flying high has always been. Jax Gunawardena, the brand ambassador of Yamamoto and the director of J-Shock Motorsports. So what a comeback despite his incident that took place a couple of months back, and he has come back very strong. So we take this opportunity to salute the Sri Lanka's national motocross champion. Back to back, Jax Gunawardena, founder of J-Shock Motorsports at the official brand ambassador of Yamamoto Sri Lanka. Well, having said so, we also congratulate him on the upcoming launch of the new J-Shock Motorsports sales outlet in Putlam on 19 June 2026 and warmly invite all two-wheel enthusiasts to be part of his exciting milestone. So still, the race continues with no challenge whatsoever for Jax Gunawardena, the back-to-back champion and currently the leader in the national championship round 1. It's none other than DMD Kalhara. But DMD Kalhara too following, but Jax Gunawardena has no challenge whatsoever on competition number 99. That is Jax Gunawardena flying high on the double jumps of Yamaha, followed closely by number 77. Then we also have number 7. It's none other than from the village of Putlam, Kamaldeen Hamdan, another promising racing driver, Kamaldeen Hamdan, in third place, challenging Jax Gunawardena and DMD Kalhara. So Jax Gunawardena, what a display. The talents you all could see started off as a PW50 rider right from the word go when he was a junior. That was his starting, and currently representing Sri Lanka, taking the flags high in the Sri Lankan community, as well as taking these flags all over the world with his talents and skills. Unfortunate though, he had to undergo an incident in one of the international events and he was advised. That is Jacques Gunawardena. What more could you expect from Jacques? A happy rider. Well, also I get an opportunity to have Lihani with us. So Lihani, what do you think about your future ex? What do you think about him? He's riding. What do you think?
I'm very happy actually. I'm enjoying the race now.
Well, that's good. You come all the way to support your boyfriend, and the thing is, he is doing it so well today. So, as always been, Jacques Gunawardena, the star in motocross. He has been back-to-back being the champion in many years. So, today, he has proven himself what he is, and we have seen DMD Kalhara, the current leader in the championship. Well, that is Jay Shah, the director of Jay Shah, Jacques, and number 2, DMD Kalhara. And the last lap we saw Kamaldeen Hamdan, the super rider from Putlam, Kamaldeen Hamdan, on competition number 7. We also have competition number 45, that is Dinet Mihiranga. Dinet Mihiranga in 4th place. So what a race it's going out to be. Jacques Gunawardena, we have DMD Kalhara, we have Kamaldeen Hamdan and Dinet Mihiranga. What a show. All the spectators, thousands of spectators are enjoying every moment of this. So what a race for Jacques Gunawardena. Effortless Jacques Gunawardena, the brand ambassador of Yamamoto. A show where everybody has been waiting for, and despite the present global situation, Two Wheel Motor Racing Club along with the Sri Lanka Army Motorsports Club could see Kalhara following him, but the distance of Jacques Gunawardena is on his special Vogue Rally 250, something different from the other bikes. The special Vogue Rally 250, it's flying high. The brand ambassador of Yamamoto, Jacques Gunawardena. So what a show it's turning out to be. Jacques Gunawardena leading this event on his Vogue Rally 250cc class. What a show by Jacques. Unbelievable. And I think if there is an award for the highest jump, I don't think there would be anybody to match Jacques Gunawardena, especially in his Vogue Rally 250cc. Here comes Jacques Gunawardena once again, flying high, taking the J-Shark flag and the Yamamoto brand ambassador. On fire in Moto 1 in the 250 MX Racing, the fastest racing event in motocross, in motorcycles. You will see more action. We have 3 motos, or probably we have 2 motos with the open event. But currently, Jacques Gunawardena comfortably moving forward, improving. And second, Kalhara. Third, Kamaldeen Hamdan from Putlam. 4th is Dinesh Mihiranga. So these are all the top racing riders in the country. DMD Kalhara starting off as the leader in the championship event in round 1. But now Jacques has come back very strong. And presently Jacques Gunawardena in his 250 racing doing pretty well. So what a moment by Jacques Gunawardena. Here comes Jacques Gunawardena for the last time, the brand ambassador of Yamamoto. Competition number 99. That was Jacques Gunawardena. Then we have second in place. This is DMD Kalhara on competition number 77. Competition number 77, DMD Kalhara. coming second in place. And we have number 3. It's Kamaldeen Hamdan from Putlam. Kamaldeen Hamdan. Then we have competition number 45, Dinet Mihiranga on competition number 4. And then we have Taruka Rumesh Shilva also